Hello, this is my friend's Hotpoint WMA33 washing machine. There are the dials. $1,300, 12, 11, 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500 spin. No spin. It's got top temperature of 95 degrees, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and no temperature. Time saver button, super rinse, rinse hold, gentle action, and one button which I don't understand. Soap girl, pretty manky as you can see. Inside, again pretty manky around the door and the seal. And this is the worst bit, the bearings have gone, if you can hear. So he really, this machine is now at the end of its life. That's all for now. Goodbye.